This is just 1 week before the shading in harvest. So if you compare to the other conventional garden or sencha tea, this is way darker. And so the shading for a week, you know, it gets dark, but I'll say this leaf is a pretty characteristic. This is a Sayamidori cultivar, but bigger than the other gardens, and stem is thick, looks very healthy, and you don't see any bugs. This is organic garden. It's pretty unbelievable that leaf is like that. So this is all made by him, Mr. Sakamoto. So this is shading, and this is a huge gardens. And look at here. Yeah, so all the stems looks very healthy. And then let's see this one. They don't use pesticides, so it's pretty unbelievable that the soil is like that. But look at the water. This is heavy rain right now, but you see all the waters is going down to the soil. It doesn't make the pond. So that's what we say, the real soil in heavy rain. No pool. That's incredible. So he's a Gyokuro maker, Mr. Sakamoto. Thank you.